Hi everyone, Stampin' Sue Creates here, excuse me, and I am here doing another video. I know, how many videos is this woman going to be doing is probably what you're saying, but I've been out of commission with having some foot surgery and some issues of plumbing at my house, and it's 4th of July and I don't have any plans, and yeah, I am here doing videos because I'm stir crazy from being home with having my foot surgery, so here I am. So I want to share with you today card number 2 of my July 2018 free card kits. So how do you get a free card kit? Well, all you have to do is head on over to stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net, place a $50 or more order, and use the July 2018 hostess code, and put your order in, and this will automatically be sent to you next month in August with a special little extra something as a customer appreciation gift. So you'll get your card kit with 2 cards, all the materials you need, and a special little thank you from me. So I did a previous video, and this is the final card. I know I got cut off because of darn YouTube. 15 minutes YouTube, really? Please give me the extension. I don't know what the problem is. Okay, so this is card kit number 1. You'll receive everything to complete this. Of course, you'll have to use what I'm focusing on, the painted glass stamp set. This is the suite in the catalog, which is on pages 164 and 165, the graceful glass. So we're focusing on the stamp set along with the designer vellum, and there's a whole other different, there's a whole thin list that goes along with it and all that sorts of things. But right now, if you don't have that, you can use whatever you have. Incorporate it, make it your own, go off the track with it. So, oh, do you hear that? It's thunder. I always love a thunderstorm during the day, just so my power don't go out. But I think my video will still go. It just won't have no lights. Anyhow, so the card that, card number 2 in the free card kit is using these delightful detailed note cards and envelopes, part of the Delightfully Detailed Suite, pages 38 and 39 in the catalog, and I'm excited because this was the suite that I did on stage at the OnStage event in Connecticut in April, and I love this suite of products. And these detailed note cards and envelopes, you get 20 printed note cards and 20 envelopes. So for $9.50, woohoo! And don't forget this little trio punch, cute as a bug in a rug. You get 3 punches in one. So yes, so this is the suite that I'm working on for this month. So let me move this aside over there, and let me show you the note cards. They are in the colors of Mint Macaron and Blackberry Bliss. So you will receive one of these note cards, and if you want a specific color, when you place your order, email me, let me know. Otherwise, I'll just send you either one or the other. So let me put those aside. Let me show you the card in case I get cut off from YouTube. Look at how beautiful that is. And so simple. You're going to love it. And this is a perfect size. Now this will be a little bit too large to put into the envelope. Let me see. Here's the envelopes. I'm thinking it is. Yeah, because I added an extra base to it. But if you choose not to add the extra base, let me grab one. Look at how beautiful they are with the very vanilla. This will fit into the envelope. Just don't add on the extra base and you'll be good to go. So, but I will give you the envelope just because I'm nice. Because I appreciate all you guys, really. So what I did is I cut an extra piece of cardstock, and you'll receive the coordinating colors that go with it, so don't worry there. This piece is cut at 5 1/4 by 3 3/4, and it makes a perfect match to go underneath, just like that, to extend your card. This one I'm going to leave that out. So I also have sorry for my squeaky table. Squeaky. Lots of noises going on in this house today, and my ceiling fan going too. I have a strip, oh, it's really pouring now, a strip of basic black. It's cut at 5 1/4 My goodness. By 1/2. Okay. And then you have your little pieces of vellum that I cut for you. Now you will have to trim them when you get them. There'll be a little extension on there. Very easy just to trim them. And you'll have little scraps of coordinating pieces. One in black. The black is 1 3/4 by 2. And then this other piece is very odd numbers. It's the little line before the 2 and the little line after the 1 1/2 on my mat. I'm not really much into reading rulers and things. One of my downfalls, unfortunately. So let's get started and share with you how to put this together. Okay, so this piece will get mounted onto the black, depending on what color you receive. And I hope this rain doesn't do any more issues to my plumbing problems. But you know, with what I got going on in my life right now, whatever's going to happen is going to happen, right? And that's just how I'm looking at it. All right, so we have our pieces of vellum. We're not doing anything to them on this card. We're going to use our mini glue dots, and I'm going to use 2 of them, 1 in each corner diagonally. And then this will get adhered to the front of here. If it's sticking out a little bit, tuck it in. Just by using little itty bitties, you should not notice it. Although that one you really do. I take that back. Alright. I'm going to put these on. Another thing you can do is you can take your green glue, get yourself a little sponge, put a little bit of it on your little sheet, your yeah, you know, that sheet that nothing sticks to, that I can't think of the name. So that one looks better. And just use a sponge. Just use a little sponge or squeeze out a little bit on your work surface and just kind of dab on the back of that. When that dries, you won't see that. That's probably what I should have done, but doing it for time's sake. But that one's going to bother me. Oops, tear. Not something I want to hear, tear. Alright. Okay. Well, there we go with that, right? See? I mean, you guys know that follow me, that have watched my videos. I don't edit. I mean, I am what I am. I make mistakes just like you guys, and it is quite all right. So let me see if I can fix this. Bring a little more resurrection to it. Oh, that almost sounded like a firework. Actually, today is 4th of July, so happy Independence Day. Those of you in America that are watching me. But that is God's fireworks today going off. Alright, there we go. That's going to be how it is. I might want to put a little bit more. Anyhow, here we're going to go. Alright, so I put my little strip in my fast fuse. What a perfect day to be in my stamp room today, creating and sharing my love of Stampin' Up! With you guys. I'm just loving this. So this is going to be a little bit longer than you need. So just kind of put that wherever you want. Turn it upside down and trim. Alright, there we go with that. Now what I'm going to do, and there's my dog with their squeaky toy. I'll tell you, never a dull moment. Never. I have my Wink of Stella. And I'm going to just go over this little strip. I'm going to squeeze a little, bring out a little more of her. Look at that. I mean, I hope that's showing up. I know it's showing up here for me. Oh, there's a little lightning. And pretty soon we will have the thunder. And the thunder roars. And the thunder roars. I better not sing that. I'll be getting some sort of copyright issue thing going on. Oh, yes. Alright. Is that picking it up? Ooh, yes. Look at that. Isn't that fancy, fancy? Alright. So we're going to take these guys. And I always have dimensionals on my desk. Alright. I got a little bit. I'm going to have to look for some more dimensionals. I had that big sheet left from my, oh, here we go. We got more here. Save this. If you watch my other videos, save this. It's great when you're doing something with glue because you won't get on your work surface. There we go, Lori. Using your idea again. I think that was your idea. Now, just because these little uglies are here does not mean we should not use them. They are dimensionals just like everyone else. So let's not discriminate on our ugly dimensionals. Oh, you know what? Let's stamp it. Okay, let's stamp. Alright, I got 5 minutes. Using my Stamparatus. Why, you may ask? And you know what? I'm going to put this on silent because this is my second time doing this. And Carol, I love you so much, but we've already had one interruption today. And yeah, I'm going to do a sympathy just because I think this card is perfect for that. So I'm using the With Deepest Sympathy. I'm going to open my card up here, put this in my Stamparatus, and this way, Susan, decide where I want to put it. Right there looks good. Hello, Thunder. Yeah, I'm not going to sing it again. Sorry, I'm not. All right, and I'm going to use my Memento ink. I'm going to ink that up. Great thing about the Stamparatus is if you don't like it the first time, you can ink it and go again. But look, perfecto. Okay, now I'm going to use my little, I don't remember the name of this was, but look at it, it's from Stampin' Up. Kind of smells good. And it's a little scrubber to clean. And what I did is I put it in one of our cases. Probably should put some holes in there because I'm seeing some moisture on there and I don't want it to get moldy. All you do with this is you just wet it. And it gets a little ugly, but it's super great to have to clean with. Okay, so here we go. Love my Stamparatus. And actually, Carol, she won the Stamparatus at my bingo. So, yeah, she is a lucky girl, so she can call me. All right, here we go. I'm going to take my backings off. And I'm going to, this was that one that was yucky. I have to fix that. I'll put one here. I'm going to go back in and fix that after the video's done. Because that little bit is going to drive me crazy. And the rain is hitting my window here. So, and we'll put that one there. I'm not going to put it back on this one because if I have to send a sympathy card, I can use those envelopes that come with it. Let me get my bone folder. If you ever notice your card is like doing this, grab your bone folder. Add this to your list. See, this one is 2. It drives me nuts. Here's your bone folder along there. Look at that. Perfect. So that is card number 2 in the freebies, free card kits, by placing an order with me during this month. So I hope you enjoyed this. Again, stampitsucreates.stampinup.net, $50 or more. And please, if it's $150 or more, don't use the host code because I want you to get the benefits. Yeah, I would love them, but you know what? Wow, that was close. If you spend that much, you should be awarded all the host benefits. So, yeah. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you have any questions, email me at stampitsucreates@gmail.com. And I hope to see you all back here again real soon. Don't forget, thumbs up, click the like, subscribe, share. Click on the little bell for notifications. I think you all know the deal. All right, everyone. Have a great day. Stay dry. Happy Independence Day. Bye for now.